Good morning, welcome to my vlog. Happy Wednesday. Today, 27, 26. Anyway, how many days in the ito brackets down? Dapat dalam siya. Dalam siya. The sun is very hot. The sun is so hot. Very hot outside. So hot outside. Look at the sun. It's 10:30? 10:20, 10:30. See? Very hot. It's already, the weather is already hot. Winter is done. Let's show you that. That side is WTC Mall. This side is along between Cornish Street and Kalipa and Hamdan Street. Very hot already. The sun is very hot. Anyway guys, happy Wednesday. Enjoy your day. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.